The new track is back. Just about a week after Nightstripe took back the track, we finally have it back to test again on test.nightstripe.com. I don't know what else there is to say. The track is back. Go look at it. In fact, Nightstripe has even made a news post. And I think that before we jump into that, it is amazing that they made a news post because it is really good to see that they are kind of keeping in contact with the community. Right now, everyone knows what's happening. We know that Nightstripe's working on the track. We know that they've re-released it. It's awesome. So, let's look at the new news post. The new track is back for preview and testing by gold members. Our work is not done, so expect we might take it back again to tune it up, but you should race a lot smoother and faster than ever before. Head over there now and send us your feedback. So basically, they fixed some of the bugs, they fixed some of the problems with the last iteration of the track, and now it should be up to us to test it again. One thing that I do want to say is something that I didn't actually make clear last time. All the races that you do on the new track will count. So if you do a 100 race session on your main account on the track, right, you will be able to, all those races will count. So if you have gold membership, there's kind of no reason not to test out the track. And of course, you can go to test.nightstripe.com to test out the new track. In fact, I'm actually viewing it from the test site. And here is a quick issue list that Nightstripe made to show what they think they fixed, what they think they didn't fix, whatever. So, first one is, it lags a lot. They have a check mark next to it lags a lot, which means they indicated that they think they fixed it. However, I think that lag is an issue that isn't going to be fixed anytime soon. Because the new track is so animation heavy, right? There's so many moving parts, everything's moving around, all the animations. It's going to be a lot harder for people with bad computers, bad Wi-Fi, bad connection, whatever, to be able to run it, right? Even though I have a MacBook, I still crash all the time running OBS and Nightstripe, and that's literally all I'm running right now. And in fact, you'll see once I start doing some races, I probably will crash. So I think that a lag is an issue that is going to stay the same. I don't think it's an issue that's going to stay the same. I think it's not going to go away, but hopefully Nightstripe has made it so there's less lag, if that makes sense. Track disappearing / turning gray. This is an issue that I saw a lot when I raced. Whenever I crashed during my races, the track would disappear or turn gray, and then when I came back from my crash, the track would just not be there. So hopefully they fix that. Image loading issues, cars appear as white squares. That specifically is an issue that has been seen on basically every single Nightstripe track update ever. Every time there's a new track, the cars break somehow. It makes sense, but it's just kind of funny to see it happen again and again. So hopefully they fix that. They have check marks next to those first three, so hopefully they fix all those. Sound not playing. I'm not sure who actually uses sound in this game, but sure, hopefully that's fixed. I have a feeling like nobody noticed that. I didn't notice that. Loading issues suck at 67%. I noticed that as well. That happened a lot, and hopefully they fixed it. 3, 2, 1, go not playing backwards, and lagging. The 3, 2, 1, go animation is probably one of the heaviest animations on the servers. There's a lot of moving parts. There's a lot of like flashing lights and stuff. So I think that if there's going to be any issue with the 3, 2, 1, go animation, I definitely expect that. Race results pop up before crossing finish line. I never saw this happen, but obviously it must have happened, so hopefully that'll be fixed as well. Friends badge missing on name card, sure. Font on gold, name tags too light, sure. Trail showing on track without a car. Yellow cars are a darker color on the track. Those last four seem to be pretty basic things to fix. And hopefully they have fixed them. And that is the end of the news post. Have a great race day, very epic. And that's about it. So, it looks like Nightstripe is re-releasing the track. We can finally test it again. And if you guys are gold membership, head over to nightstripe.com, test.nightstripe.com, sorry about that, so you can test out the new track. Now, I'm going to hop into a couple races on the track and see what it's like. Alright, everyone, welcome back, even though I took a 10-second break. We're doing some races. Woohoo! I apologize for, it being so bad. I can't type right now. But actually, one of the issues that they mentioned is that the gold member tag was dark, so I think this looks a lot better. Yeah, I think everything looks really smooth. I'm obviously typing a lot slower than usual. I'm actually going against someone that I would usually beat. But, oh my god, this actually looks ridiculously smooth. Yeah, that's all I have to say, really. I'm not lagging. I'm not freezing or anything. Quickly check OBS to make sure that hasn't crashed. Yeah. Holy cow, things are actually looking great. I don't actually have much else to say. I think all the issues that I had with the first iteration of this track seem to be fixed. I'm not lagging. My race didn't crash. OBS hasn't crashed. The gold number tag obviously looked good. All the animations look smooth. Yeah. I mean, I don't really. All I can say is, nice job, Nice Stripe. You guys seem to have fixed most of the issues that I was at least having with the track. Obviously, I'm using a bit higher powered of a computer than something like a Chromebook. So a lot of people obviously use Chromebooks for Nice Stripe. However, things are definitely a lot less laggy, because even I was experiencing a lot of lag issues last time I tried the track. So now I think we're actually in a really good place. Yeah, this is, I can really tell this is much better. Nice Stripe has done a good job. And again, I apologize for the slow typing. However, I have nothing but praise so far. I think that Nice Stripe has made it a lot less laggy. It's not crashing my computer. Good stuff all around. Good stuff all around. Obviously, a couple of the issues that they said they didn't know how to fix or they didn't fix was the 3-2-1 countdown. But at least for me, the 3-2-1 countdown's been working great. So, yeah, and we can also see that the font on the gold tag has also been fixed. It is definitely a lot darker now, which is cool. So all in all, I really do think that Nice Stripe has done a good job with their... Oh, there's the crash. There it is. So, as you can see here, my screen just completely froze for 3 or 4 seconds, and that is to be expected when I'm trying to run, OBS, as well as the brand new track. So that's obviously something that will absolutely screw up your races, and I usually just quit whenever I crash during a race. It happens a lot. But I'm going to finish just for the video. So I think that obviously the crash is something that I was expecting. I do not expect them to fix that anytime soon, simply because the track is so animation heavy and my computer just can't run like that many things at once, basically. However, other than the occasional crash and the heavy animations, I think that the track is looking great. So that was 3 races on the new track, and if you guys have gold membership, you don't need to take my word for it. You can simply head over to, hold up, right above me, wait, right there. Right, look where I'm pointing, guys. test.nicestripe.com/race or /whatever. And you can use the test site just like normal Nice Stripe. So yeah, I think this looks great so far. And so, as you might have been able to see there, my computer actually did end up crashing after my 3rd race or whatever. And that's honestly to be expected, right? The track has a lot of animations. I ran OBS at the time. Woohoo, it crashed. And I guess that's a warning to those of you non-gold members who might not have been able to test the track already. If you guys have a Chromebook or you're trying to do multiple things while you race, it might be a bit dodgy. You might lag. You might even crash. Oh well. I guess that's the problem of having, better animations, is that you also need a better computer thing. I don't know computers, but you need a better CPU or whatever. You need better frames. I don't know. The point is, the more animations and the more detailed stuff Nice Stripe's going to add to the track, the more it's going to lag. So that's just something to keep in mind. Other than that, they seem to fix most of the issues. I didn't see any of the issues other than the lag happen on the track. Obviously, I only did 3 races, so I will try to keep everyone updated if I do run into any problems. But yeah. Also, for those of you who are going to be able to test out the new track, there is a report a bug button. A lot of people asked me last time, where do I report a bug? Where can I tell Nice Stripe about the problem, right? It is right at the top. If you run into any bugs or issues, please report them. Report a bug. and that'll take you to the bug page. So you describe the bug, what steps did you take, so you describe how you got there, and you submit it. Very, very epic. Other than that, just some closing remarks on the track. I think that when it was released, a lot of people were like, Penguin, the animations are distracting, they're not good, they mess up my races. But honestly, I've probably only done about 100 races on the new track, and I'm already used to them. So once you guys like actually start racing on the new track and you actually play the new track, you'll get used to the animations. Also, the only really big like flashy animation is obviously the countdown timer. But once the countdown timer ends, your race starts. So like, there's not much of an issue there. But yeah, I think the track's looking good. They fixed a lot of the problems, and I would not honestly be surprised if the next time they were to take it back and then re-release it, it would actually be re-released to the actual site. I would not be surprised. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have gold membership, be sure to go over to the new track and test it out for yourself. Wow, I messed that up. Test.nitrotype.com. Obviously, you need gold membership. And other than that, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, whatever. Yes, I know I hit 1 million views. Ta-da! I'm making a video about that tomorrow. But just so you guys stay tuned, here's a little bit of a spoiler for those of you who made it this far. I'm doing a gold giveaway and a $100 million giveaway tomorrow. So 11 winners, one of them will be gold membership, and 10 of them will be $10 million on Nitrotype. It's going to be my biggest giveaway yet. It's going to be the first time I've given away gold membership. So please, please, please stay tuned for that. That is dropping tomorrow. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, whatever. Thank you all so much for watching. Goodbye, everyone. And have, as always, a wonderful day.